Good afternoon, MMTs. We're here with this big S&P. Now listen, one of the things that we're going to want to cover key specifically is that we would like to let you know that we traded a lot of options today on the S&P and made a lot of money. The places that you need to go to look at those previous trades we did, just simply go down here and look for the S&P right here. You'll find out everything that we were saying. We were buying calls, and we started out with buying put options big time on the year. Go ahead and do that. The people who want trading capital, we are taking we're taking new people that want to get in. We're going to fund the account. You'll be in the live trading room each day. Just go through here. Yes, we're going to give you buying power. It takes money to make money. You know you're not going to go to a bank and get the money. They're not going to give it to you. Period. We will give it to you, and we will manage you with that money. Sign up today, right now. We had these put options on the S&P, and basically they were the 2040 contracts. 2,000 traded. $6 on the low, $27 on the high. You had 10 contracts. It's a $20,000 day by understanding how to buy the put contracts when the S&P is going to go down. And that's exactly the outcome. The other thing that we are going to cover is that we were up here at 2057. Today we hit a low of 20, and that low 2019 is the low, and then they rallied up back to the high there of 2043, and then of course this is where it came down. Now, one of the things I would like to show everybody is how to trade these put options. So basically, on the website that we have there, we trade these all the time. Here's the deal. The 2035 calls were down 40% or so, and they got taken to the woodshed. So this is the volume, but here's the big one. The ones that we had, of course, again, is going to be the 27, which was slightly in the money. But here's the one right here on 130. That's 2065. That was a major wall of resistance, and it was time to buy the puts. Plus 132%, 95% there. You also can take a look, though, that this the 2065 call got marked down 70%. Here's the other big one that we did was at 2040 that we talked about. They gapped them up to $9. They ended up going to a net change. The book was 154%. The high was $27. They pulled back to 11. We bought them again and sold them again. This is the open interest of these calls and puts. Do I want to learn how to make a lot of money? Absolutely. Just let me tell you once again, though, this was a big gap down, and the bull came back in, and that's the conclusion of the S&P 500, and you should learn how to trade the volatility. Everybody needs to remember what Mario said, that starting January of 2015, you are going to see incredible volatility. In fact, I even made a comment. That volatility is going to get so bad, you're going to want to throw up. Right. Because you don't know how to handle it. We do. So step up, get in here, and we'll show you exactly how to be able to trade these markets and how volatility works. And this is some of the best volatility, both between the bull and the bear, or the bear and the bull. It doesn't matter. You need to get paid.